How to add an outline to an image in Canva. First, open Canva. Select the project you want to add an outline. Then select the image. Then click on the image, and then go to the shadow option. Then select the glow option. Then choose the color you want. Then make the blur option to 1. Then make the intensity option up to 100. Then make it any size you want to. You can see an outline to the image. That's how you can add an outline to an image in Canva. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.